Alrighty guys, Crystal Moss Canopies and 4x4 here. Today we have a tow bar kit that's going to be fitted on a brand new Nissan X-Trail. We're going to go through the removal of the bar, rear bar I should say, the fitment of the tow bar, the fitment of the electrics. So using one of our Tag tow bar, or should I say a tow bar from our partner Tag. Other than that, let's get stuck right into it.
Something terribly wrong.
Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoy the installation process. I know we didn't get all the exact little details, especially with the reassembly. Our camera ran out of battery, but that's alright. Okay, we've got it back and going again. So very, very straightforward. Tow bar fitted, 50mm removable hitch from our partners that tag down. That's going to be the maximum towing capacity of the X-Trail. Alright, 7-pin plug, very, very straightforward, with the ECU module to make sure that there are no error codes on the car if you want to grab one for yourself. OzCanopies.com.au is the place to go. Give us a call. We've got basically a tow bar to suit any vehicle that can tow, and then we can do it at the best price possible as well. Chris, we'll see you guys on the next